Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a CRUD using Blazor CRUD template in 2 minutes with server-side pagination using Dapper. So, first of all, open this website. You can find the link in the description as I have already installed it on my system. So, you click on the download button and then install it on your system. Before installing, you better to close your Visual Studio. So here you can also read the documentation in order to understand how to use this. After installing it, you will find it on your Visual Studio. Then click on create a new project, search for Blazor. Here you will find Blazor CRUD template. Select this template, then click on next button, name the project and then click on create button. Okay, now the project has been created successfully and it is using Dapper with server-side pagination, as you can see in the interfaces. Here you see the method for get all and insert, update and searching. These all are by default methods, and first of all, now you need to create the database, and you can find the script in readme file. You copy this script and run it on your SQL query editor, as I have already created my database with the table name article with 2 stored switches, sp add article, sp update article in, and after you need to set your connection string in app settings.json. Paste your connection string here and build your project. Build started. And build successfully. Note, one thing is that I am using C# 8.0, so it's better you should update your Visual Studio. Click on help and check for updates. Here it will tell you the current version of your Visual Studio. As you can see, the current version of Visual Studio 16.5.2. Run your project. Welcome to your new CRUD template. Run your project and welcome to the new successfully created CRUD template using CRUD template with server-side pagination. Click on this article. As you can see, the data is coming from the database. You can add new records. Click on save. You can delete it, you can update, you can search for. Okay, now you can click on let me add new record, ASP.NET. Click on save. You can click on the second page and you can find this is by default server-side pagination, and you can use it in your projects. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.